All right, guys, I have a special guest. TJ is joining me for the swap meet today.
I am.
It'll be so fun.
And guess who else is joining us? Check out the sign. Taylor Swift is going to be here.
Taylor Swift. Now, TJ, there is a 50-cent entrance fee here.
You didn't tell me that.
I know. I'm so sorry.
That was a real bait and switch.
I'm sorry. I know. You have to pay to get in.
Oh, God. I hope we break even.
I think we just might.
Hello. $1. It's $1.
Oh, sorry.
Not 50
oh, gosh.
cents.
Sorry. Oh, gosh.
50 cents on Saturdays and $1 on Sundays.
Man.
Oh,
okay.
isn't it? Wait, today's Saturday.
Oh, isn't today Saturday?
Yeah,
Oh, I thought you said it was 50 cents on Saturday.
it is.
Oh.
For 2 adults.
Oh,
each.
each. Okay.
We can't do math. Okay, thanks a lot.
Been here before, you guys. The top comment on my last video at this swap meet was, don't wear the Gucci hat. I made a huge mistake. I'm so sorry. Rookie error. So we're not gonna wear a Gucci hat. Now I'm wearing my Utes hat.
I wore my dirtiest shirt. So.
We're trying to look, you know, less conspicuous.
Hi, Brandine. You can wear this shirt to work.
Oh, Cletus.
So we're gonna try to just haggle a little bit better. We're gonna be a little more firm, right?
Real firm.
Teach, maybe
I'm
you
not
do the
paying-
negotiating for
I'm
me.
not paying anything over $1 for that.
I try to negotiate less shyly. Let's see if we find any cool stuff today.
This is the place to get tools.
Yeah, don't ever pay full price. I wonder if they have good stuff today. It seems very quiet. It seems very quiet today.
Got your name on it.
Oh, so I have to buy it. Actually, this
Women's
looks cozy.
thermal underwear. Ash. This is your new brand?
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm gonna grab some stuff and I'm gonna have TJ haggle for me. This is kind of cool. Let's just see.
Would you do $5 for this?
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, okay. That's okay. Never mind.
Okay,
Take it
thank
away.
you. So yeah, I'm a little on my guard as I'm looking through stuff because I'm just so worried that the prices are going to be crazy. So I'm grabbing these Faherty jeans knowing that they're going to be worth a lot, but kind of holding them in reserve, knowing I might need to put them back. Sean John is a pretty decent brand when it's a certain style and it's from a certain time period. These are some really cool printed jean shorts. They're super baggy. I think they'll sell for like $40. So again, crossing my fingers, things are cheap. How much would you do for these two pairs?
$3.
3 each?
3 for both.
3 for both? Thank you. Awesome. Okay. Hey, thank you so much. So at that first swap meet booth that we went to, I saw some jeans. These are some vintage Sean John jeans, probably from like the 90s or early 2000s. And the comps for them are around like $30, which is awesome. These are the Faherty jeans. They seem to be new without tags because the tag is still here. Faherty is a really, really nice men's brand, and I see comps for these around like $60, 50 to 60. So right out the gate for just $3, I got 2 pairs of really great jeans. That wasn't always the case at every booth though, as you'll see. Some people had some audacity, but this guy was a legend to sell me these for so cheap.
Soup's on.
So we're gonna be seeing some higher prices. These Hokas would have been good, but I just knew for $30, I'd have to talk them down to like 10, and I knew they wouldn't do that. So we saw a lot of high prices with the shoe booths. They wanted 50 for those, and they're only worth like $40. So again, had to put them back. A lot of times with these shoe booths, I kind of felt like the prices were really arbitrary and just, oh, Nike, $40. But over here, there were some shoes that didn't have prices on them, and I was really hoping for a good deal. Okay, Teach, you're gonna try.
Oh no.
We're not gonna go over 100 for all those. Okay, let's try that.
Oh. Okay.
Alright, but start at like how much, and then just
For the bulk.
For all.
I'd like to whisper too.
For these, do you have a bulk price?
That one is 45.
Well, altogether, like, would you do? That's probably too much one-on-one, but altogether, would you do 100 for all of them?
No. It's
Too low?
Yeah.
Will you fight? What will you do without freedom?
I failed. I
You
come
did.
here and I fail.
Yeah. I mean, I think this is just proof, like they drive a hard bargain. You know, she was really firm on her prices last time I went, so I wasn't too surprised that she just would not budge. But this pile on this tarp was definitely more my speed. Everything was just $2 each, so it was time for me to start digging. That Celtics full zip will sell great. A Tommy Bahama printed tee, I thought that was kind of cool. A vintage Prana flannel, these do awesome, so I definitely picked that up, as well as some Ariat jeans. Comps on these are around $30. I mean, this is a nice jeans brand, and I saw a lot of brands that I tend to resell, so I was like, I wonder what the deal is with this tarp. Like, are they kind of liquidating their eBay store or what? Some Patagonia capeline, I love picking that up. Needed a little bit of a sweater shave, but totally not too bad. And then some vintage Champion track pants, which I thought were really cool. They have like this panel on the side. Those should sell decently well. A men's Lucky Brand Pearl Snap Western style shirt. These sell great for me. Yeah, no. Darn.
Oh, it's fake.
And you guys know I love Free People. I found this chunky cardigan. That's like my favorite type of Free People to find. The sweatshirts, the jackets, they all sell great. And then another really basic Nike Tech fleece pullover. I'll totally pick those up every time. It's like a funnel neck. And then another Free People sweater, a really long one. Actually, I think on second look, this might be a dress. So TJ was quick to point out that there was like a big pile of clothing. Everything was $2 each. And I actually got to know the people that were selling from that little flea market area. And they were so sweet. They actually had seen some videos of mine, and they were moving to Denver and selling off their eBay store before they kind of moved. So they took a ton of stuff, they said, to Plato's Closet, and then the rest they just brought to the swap meet. They had two really nice Free People sweaters. This is like a moto zip cardigan, really cute. And then this other Free People sweater. We love Free People chunky knit sweaters. They always sell really well. I'm hoping I can sell these for around 40-ish each, maybe a little bit more. So super exciting to find that, as well as like a bunch of other stuff that I grabbed from their piles. You could tell that they were resellers because they had some really good brands in there. You guys know I just couldn't pass up any Lululemon that was $2, so of course I picked this up. It doesn't sell super great, but $10, $15, I should be able to flip it just fine. Probably more if TJ models it for me. And then a really cool vintage tee. I'm not the biggest vintage tee buff, but I thought it was cool. Okay, this was a really cool find too. This is a vintage, I mean, I'm not a vintage t-shirt person. I need to learn it better. I just don't know that much about it, but I've learned enough to know that we like beefy knit, heavyweight, larger sizes. Tube knit is good. So I saw that, and I saw this Big Lebowski Abide logo on it. I know enough to know that like vintage labels are not screen printed. They're always like this, and M&O Knits is like one of like the vintage labels to kind of look for. Anyway, so this t-shirt, someone's trying to sell it on Grailed for like $55, but I think I could sell it for at least $40 to $45. I think it's really cool. It's in a really good size too, extra large. But yeah, this is maybe my first like actually kind of cool vintage t-shirt find. Yay me!
You girls keep me young. Oh, I love you so much.
I spent a lot of time over here with my friends moving to Denver and these big piles. I just wanted to make sure I didn't miss anything, and I thought this Mickey vintage button down was really cool. Grabbed that. Some Madewell, brand new with tags. I think they retail for like $128, so of course I'll pick that up. They should sell for like $30. Okay.
Once you put it in.
Okay. Okay.
Count them as you put them in.
1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, thank you, sorry, and 15, and 16. Okay, so 30, okay, thank you so much. You guys are so sweet. I love finding men's jeans. These are G-Star Raw. I think they make women's jeans too, but these are in really good condition. Should sell for close to $40, so absolutely grabbed that for just a few dollars. And then these really cool vintage Justin boots. I don't know, I saw quite a few pairs of boots here that I thought could be cleaned up. These Ariat boots, they will need some love and some cleaning, but I'm pretty confident that I can sell them for like close to $100 if I get them cleaned up well. And then just some more vintage Laredo boots. I think those are awesome. And then I spotted these amazing shoes. And then how about these? Same 20?
Okay, 20, but in store that's $200.
Is it? Really? Okay. Well, you have all the good deals then. Thank you. Okay, so here, you can count that for me. I believe that's 100.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate you.
You too.
You too.
It's getting heavy.
How are we doing?
Oh.
Oh,
toy.
you are so
That's so
sweet. Thank
sweet.
you so much.
Very nice.
How cute.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh, that's
What
so
do you
cute.
think? Did you
Is
get
that
a
the
horse?
coolest? Yeah. All right, that guy is officially like my favorite person ever because he had really great stuff, number one, but also he was so sweet, willing to cut me a deal, gave a little toy to crew, so cute. So he had these Free People boots. These are the James boots. Comps are around 60 to 80, so to get these for just shy of 20 is totally fine with me. He also had these amazing Marc Jacobs animal print kind of snakeskin Oxfords. These have sold on the RealReal for $100, so I have that as a comp, but they probably retail for $250 to $300.
But in store that's $200.
Marc Jacobs does not hold its value as well as some other brands, but this should still sell for around $100. I might even send them to the RealReal if I feel like I can get more money out of them there. Super cool to get these for so cheap. But I think the best find were these Magnani boots. Magnani is a very expensive men's boot brand. It holds its value extremely well. These are the Marcello boots, and they should sell for around 120. So really excited about these. And again, he also had this Levi's Sherpa jacket, which is awesome. This is actually a vintage Levi's Sherpa trucker jacket. This should sell for around 80. So totally worth picking up. Again, so thrilled that I found that guy in his booth because he was so nice and he had great stuff. Okay, Teach, lessons learned from the swap meet. We like the big piles of clothes.
Piles
right?
of clothes is
piles?
what you look for.
That's what you're looking for?
On the tarps.
Yeah.
With the pre-posted price, if possible.
Do you like your horsey? Yeah?
Yay.
Yeah. Oh, kisses, huh? Kisses. All right, Teach, what do you think of the swap meet?
Started out slow.
Okay.
Got a little better near the end.
It did. It really did. Biggest find, probably those Free People boots and
The snake-looking one.
the snakeskin, the Marc Jacobs snakeskin ones. Those seem really promising. And yeah, I didn't pay as much. You know, Teach helped me walk away from some that were just way too high. Some people weren't willing to negotiate. I think they saw me and they were like jacking up the prices, but others were super reasonable. So it just depends. But yeah, we had a really successful time. The main and most important question though is, where do we get our treat? What should we get as a treat?
I want a divorce.
Oh my gosh.
That's your pick.
What, he's not a treat
I
guy.
know, I do like Chick-fil-A's
The
shake.
new, yeah, the chocolate shake is
Do they have
good.
a new shake?
They do. Caramel crumble. It's not, I don't think it's that good though.
But they'll never take our freedom!
Okay, so all in all, I just did some math in my little spreadsheet and we spent around $150 on things that we plan on selling. And the total resell value of everything I have here is just shy of $1,000, $980 to be exact. I'm so excited about that. I think that was a really successful Saturday. I'm glad TJ could join me. It's always more fun when he can tag along. And of course, I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you so much for supporting me, liking and subscribing. It just means the world. I will catch you in the next one. Take care, you guys.